Alright, so UV unwrapping the eyes. So UV unwrapping again is a process of flattening the cutting the model and then flattening out. So I'm gonna go to UV editing layout. This one over here that we use for the body. So taking the eye object, I'll probably go to press tab, exit that, shift H to isolate. Press tab again to enter edit mode. So creating seams, cuts, and then flattening it out over here. Right now we have the mirror modifier, which will probably just overlap everything for you guys. So for the cornea and the sclera, it's pretty much easy. I like to come in at the center, out click, and just create a line over there. I believe this side here. The rest won't be even visible, so we don't care if we make it even very way smaller. And I'm gonna break you, and I'm gonna say mark seam. And now if I come this side, this side selects everything, press U and press unwrap. So we have the back part and the front part. Very nice, very nice. Press L to select a UV shell, press G to move it outward. So this one I'm just going to scale it down very small. G, move it this the corner. Select press L, just undo that, and then press L, select this UV shell, press S to no escape. Adrian, come on. Go to selection tool, press L now, press S to scale. Ooh, my boy, take it down. Okay, sorry about that, guys. And then press G and increase that a tad. So this should be, I think I've let's just undo this. Yep, I think I've relaxed it, so it wasn't even. Sorry about that. Press L again. Now I'm gonna scale it up. G, I'm gonna move it in. I'm gonna scale it, like, probably zoom in with my scroll wheel, and then press S to scale, G to move it, somewhere around these lines. Again, I can come back and scale it even more, because I can. No one can stop me. Like that. Yep. So if we come back over here and we select the front part, should be this one, and if you select this one, should highlight on the side. Here so here's our unwrap on the eyeball. Now what's this? Just concerning on that dirt inside it, which won't be even visible. So it's this guy. I might need to add another loop here. So Ctrl R. It doesn't want me. So escape. Select this. GG. It's just slide it. So Ctrl R again. Let's escape. Like that. Should be G, just move it outwards a bit. And again, nothing should have changed. I just added one edge loop over there. Nothing fancy. Cool. Once we're done with the cornea and the sclera, press tab and select the iris, which is hiding underneath over here. Select this guy, open him, hide him. Select this guy, move in very closely. This one should be pretty much simple. You just pressed U press tab, enter edit mode, press U to unwrap, and then here you are. What mode do you want? If I highlight this guy, which will be hardly visible, and I press Ctrl R to grow the selection, you see, oh no, this is the part, but it will be highly not visible at all. So that's that. Select everything. It fits right over here. Very easy. So this will help with the texturing part when you're texturing the iris. Having it flat like this, it's a gold mine. Okay, so now we have our UVs flatten out, and that's that for this lecture. So again, thank you guys for your time. See you guys in the next one.